It's a day many in our area will remember forever, the day we learned about our first case of COVID-19.
That was 5 years ago today. All of our lives began changing that day. Dr. Michael Mendoza was most often the person telling us how, and he sat down with me today to reflect on when it all started. There he was, March 11th, 2020, standing shoulder to shoulder with other local leaders to talk about what they announced the night before, Monroe County's first documented case of COVID-19. Dr. Michael Mendoza, the Monroe County Health Commissioner, trying to handle the local response to a global pandemic.
There was some level of uncertainty, certainly on the part of medical experts all the way through the public, but I don't feel like I was scared because we only knew what we knew, and we were pretty clear on what we didn't know, which was a lot.
But today, sitting in his new office at Trillium Health, Mendoza said the local hospitals and the community at large did well, given the information and resources at hand.
I know our numbers were better for what that's worth. Our vaccine numbers were better, our mortality rates were lower, even within the state. But that's not to diminish that a lot of people lost loved ones. A lot of people had really, really trying experiences, and we can't make that go away with good data.
The shutdowns, the mask mandates, the vaccinations, all of that prompted some to direct their anger at Mendoza. Most of that through social media, some particularly extreme.
It's hard to think through some of that, particularly when it was directed at my family and my kids. My kids and my family didn't sign up for that. And I think I've contextualized it in saying that, people were just responding to fear.
While willing to talk about the past, Mendoza ended the interview with a message about the future, hoping what started 5 years ago today has prepared us for the next pandemic.
It's not a question of if, but it's a question of when. Estimates say that it's, an annual risk of 2 to 4% to have another pandemic. So if you play that out in the next, 25 years, there's a 50% chance that we'll have another pandemic.
Startling numbers there. To get a complete timeline of events, what happened when in our area, we have this in the article at rochesterfirst.com. Right on the front page in it, you're going to find a link to that chronology.